Hi everybody, and welcome to Wednesday, November 10th. For today, you are continuing on with your TPAC, EPAC Fast Attack. If you are lost or confused or need more direction, please watch Tuesday, November 9th's video where I explain how to complete the TPAC, EPAC Fast Attack. I have the directions on the next slide if you are able to read it and follow along, but if not, you need me to show you how to do it, watch yesterday's video. Alright, today we did, aside from our TPAC, EPAC Fast Attack, you completed your binder check in English, and then we moved on to our argumentative essay rough draft. Let me walk you through that, chicos. Okay, so, for your argumentative rough draft, yesterday we had the practice prompt. It was due today because you need to start your rough drafts. That just needs to happen. So I'm going to open everything up. Okay, you're going to use the frames, these argumentative essay frames, to help you write your essay. Your rough draft is due on Friday, 11/15. You must have a rough draft. I will not see you guys tomorrow. There will be no school tomorrow, November 11th, 2021, because it is Veterans Day. So just keep that in mind. This is going to be homework if you do not finish it. Now that you have completed your outlines, you're going to put it together. Put your name right here, subject, period, teacher, date. Please get rid of name, please get rid of subject, period, please get rid of teacher, and please get rid of date. Okay, get rid of your title, get rid of your introduction, all that stuff. Get rid of it. Okay, so the way that this is going to work, chicos, is like this. You're going to begin writing. In your outlines, you did not have to write your hook, your tag, your context, only your thesis. If you remember, this is what creates your introduction paragraph, okay? Your introduction is comprised of these 4 main sentences. You have this one completed. Just make sure that it is a full and complete sentence. Your hook, this is how you catch the reader's attention, okay? Your tag stands for title, author, genre, okay? Your context, what will you be writing about? Alright? This is your basic introduction. I can hear you say, Ms. Ornelas, I still need more help. How do I actually start my rough draft? I only have my thesis. I've got you, okay? If you look right here under the argumentative essay frames, I have the introduction paragraph already. This is your hook, okay? This is to help you, all right? I don't know why it says sleep deprivation, but I'll change that in a sec. Okay, now this is the tag. Remember title, author, genre? I have a sentence frame right here for you. Articles A through C in infographic D prove blank. What do they actually prove? Here's your context, okay? Actually, your context statement, your context sentence frame for you to help you get started is right here. Animal testing, blank. There's where you can give that context. Then right here, animals should or should not be tested on because reason 1, reason 2, reason 3. There you go. So if you need those sentence frames, I have them right here for you. The only sentence frame I didn't give you was a hook because I wanted you to be creative. Simply do not ask a question. That is the only thing I'm asking for. Okay. So that's your introduction. What comes next? Some of you might remember, some of you are like, no clue, that's why I'm watching this video, Ms. Ornelas. Body paragraph 1. I'm sure you remember now as soon as I said it. Okay. In body paragraph 1, I should see T, E, P, A, not a C, but E again, P, oopsie, P, A, and then a C. Some of you are forgetting, like, wait, what is this? This is topic sentence, evidence 1, paraphrase, analysis, evidence number 2, a paraphrase specifically about evidence number 2, analysis about evidence number 2, and then just a final conclusion, okay? This is how I expect body paragraph 1 to be written. Some of you, I see you freaking out, don't worry, it's okay. If you follow this exactly for all 3 paragraphs, you're okay. You're going to pass with 100%. You're going to be just fine. Here are the sentence frames. Go from your topic sentence. You already have your evidence. I made you find it in your outlines. Paraphrase it. Restate your words. Analyze it. Why is it actually important? What can you infer? We've done inference. Put your evidence to. You don't have to write that sentence. You're good. What is your paraphrase? What is your analysis? Conclude the sentence, okay? You've got this. I know it feels painful and really long. No, you've got this. Okay, TPAC. The only difference is on body paragraph 3. You're just going to have that counterclaim, okay? You're just going to input one of these sentence frames into body paragraph 3 towards the end or the beginning, all right? And then lastly, just put your conclusion, a transition word, and a restatement of your thesis. That is all we are doing. So today, all we worked on was your introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, which I don't think anyone quite got to, body paragraph 3, and then conclusion, okay? Because I wanted you guys to practice getting through it. But on Friday, we will finish up. I will give you guys some time to work on that rough draft. My 3-4, you need to have your introduction done so that we can continue working on body paragraph 1, 2, and 3, okay? But that is going to be it. This is all going to be due Monday, Chico, so you guys got to hustle. I'm giving you homework. You need to make sure you are getting this done in class and outside of class. All right, you guys, this is all we did today. We focused on introduction and we focused on body paragraph 1. Remember, the reasoning for body paragraph 1, this is one of the 3 reasons. This is the first reason of your thesis statement, okay? And I've gone over that in past videos. All right, guys, as always, if you have any questions on what you need to be doing or if you're confused on anything, please feel free to reach out to me before or after school and I'll help you guys out. Other than that, I will see you guys in class. Bye.